Hello, today we will guide you through how to change email on XM. If you want to change the email address connected to your XM account, the process is quite straightforward. The main thing to know is that you'll begin from XM's official website and then contact their support team using one of the available options. This is important because email changes are usually handled through customer support for account security and verification. To get started, go to xm.com, making sure you are on the official XM site. Once you're there, take a moment to look over the page and then scroll down. Many websites place important support and account-related links near the bottom of the homepage, so scrolling down helps you quickly find the right section without guessing where to go. When you reach the lower part of the page, look for the Contact Us option and click on it. This will take you to XM's support area, where they provide different ways for users to get help with account issues and general questions. If you don't immediately see the option, just scan the footer area carefully, since that's where it is commonly located. On the support page, you'll find several ways to contact XM. Typically, these include live chat, email, and phone support. Each option can work, so the best one depends on what is most convenient for you. Live chat can be useful if you want a faster response, while phone support may be helpful if you prefer speaking directly with a representative. Email is often a good choice if you want to clearly explain your request in writing and keep a record of the conversation. For example, if you choose email as your contact method, you can now send a message to XM support explaining that you want to change the email address on your XM account. In your message, keep your explanation clear and concise so the support team can understand your request quickly. It's also a good idea to follow any instructions they provide, since they may need to verify your identity before making changes to your account. That step helps protect your account and ensures the request is authorized. And that's the process. Visit the official XM website, scroll down to find Contact Us, review the available support methods, and then contact XM to request the email change. Once support responds, simply continue with their instructions until the update is completed.